welcome back to my channel. Thank you babe so much for tuning back in. If you are just coming across this video, hi, my name is Chinwe. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. So babes, as you guys can see from the title of today's video, I will be testing out this electrical beauty blender. Now you're probably like, what? Because I'm telling you, I've never seen this. I've never even seen anyone talk about this. You know me, I was on Amazon. I'm an Amazon fanatic, and it just like pops out to me. Like, I was like, what? An electric beauty blender? Like, I have to try this. Like, I'm probably the first person to try this. If I'm not, don't burst my bubble, because I have not seen this anywhere. It only had 2 reviews, so we are going to test out this beauty blender. I'm so excited because one thing about it, like, I remember when the beauty blender first came out, I just hate the beauty blender. Let me explain. It works really good. Obviously I still use a beauty blender, but it's just so tiring. Like, it's just blendy you know what I mean? Like, it's just constant blending. I actually enjoy using brushes more than a beauty blender, but the beauty blender is more effective than a brush. And then for some reason, like, the brushes would always break me out, which is really weird because y'all have seen my beauty blender. Like, if you know me and you watch me, you know, like, I don't really wash my beauty blender. It's like, I told you guys, the dirtier my beauty blender is, the better my makeup comes on. As disgusting as that sounds, that's just what works. That's just works for me, you know what I mean? And the beauty blender doesn't really break me out. It's usually like brushes. So I'm excited to try this. So this is the box. I'm gonna close it because, you know, I was digging in it. This is the box it comes in. Here, my lighting is really bright. Ah, you guys are so excited. I'm so excited. So it comes in this box, and this is what it looks like when you open it. It comes with different like beauty blenders, y'all. So you have one for, I think, foundation. You have one for contouring. You have one for, basically you just have different kinds. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So it looks like this, and then it's magnetic. So whatever beauty blender that you want to use, you would just like hook it onto here like that. I'm so excited. And it is literally magnetic, and I think you have to charge it when you first get it, because I had to charge mine when I first got it. It doesn't take that long to charge, and then you just hold it down and it turns on. And then it has different settings. You can go faster. That's a 2-speed. That's a 3-speed. Okay, this is looking kind of crazy. This looks kind of crazy. Let me get my mind out the gutter. And then there's 4. Okay, so that's a different speed. I'm gonna turn it off. You just hold it down and turn it off. So I am going to take my makeup off so we can test this out on camera. I'm so excited. I've had this makeup on all day. I just kind of refreshed my gloss so I can do this intro for you guys. So I'll be back so we actually try this and see like how good it works. I'm so excited. Like, something wrong with me for just like, what am I even doing? Anyways, see you guys in the next clip. Okay babe, so I took a makeup wipe and I just kind of wiped off like the bottom half of my face. I am now just like adding concealer like normally, and we're gonna see how this blends out. I'm really excited. This is like for people that are lazy like me, because using the beauty blender be really like annoying. I remember when I first started using the beauty blender, I was so annoyed with it because like it was just so much blending. Okay, so I chose this beauty blender out of the 4 that it came with. It's like the flat one. So we're gonna see how it blends. I'm gonna probably start it in 1 maybe. So let's start it at speed 1. Let's see if this thing is full of it. Okay, I feel like 1 is not hard enough. I'm gonna put it up to 3. It feels funny. I feel like the sound is a little bit annoying, but I feel like it's doing the best a robot can do. Like, let's get into the nose. I mean, it blends it, but let's see, let's put some up here. It blends it, but I don't know. I don't know, like, if I like it. Okay. Let's turn off now. Let's turn off. Okay. It looks good. It looks good, but I feel like I feel like I'm used to a certain pressure, so it's just weird that a robot is doing it for me. But like, it looks good. Like, I don't see nothing wrong with it, you know what I mean? It's just really weird. I think it's really weird. Okay, I'm gonna apply contour, and let's use a different beauty blender and let's see how that blends out. I don't know what to think, you guys. So they're all wrapped up in these little baggies. Let me see which one I want to use. Okay, this one, I wouldn't use this for contouring. Let's see what else they have. I need something more like round. I don't really know how I feel about it, you guys. Like, I don't know. I don't know what to say. Chinwei speechless? I don't know. I just really don't know what to say. Okay, so should I use this one for contouring? It kind of has like a, or should I use this round? I'm gonna use this round one for contouring. So you just snap it off and it snaps on. Okay, let's get my contour. Where's my contour stick? Okay, using my Hourglass contour stick. Ooh, I don't know if it's gonna be able to blend this. We'll see. Okay, I do there and I do here. So let's see if it's gonna be capable enough to do that. Speed 1, I wouldn't do speed 1. I think at least 3 is good. So let's do 3. Oh, are you already dead? Okay, I was like, you better not be dead. Okay, on speed 3. So if you push it against your skin too hard, it stops. Okay, look, it's not really blending this out. Like, it's not really blending it out well. Oh, let me give it a try. Let me stop. It's doing the best a robot can do. Okay. Yeah, I don't feel like it's really doing that good of a job blending out the contour. I think maybe contour may be too thick for it, because you know it is a cream contour. So yeah, I don't know. It's not really doing a good job. Let's keep going and let's see. No, ma'am. Let me increase the speed. It's so weird because this is how 5 is pumping. How is 5 pumping like that and 3 is pumping like this? That doesn't make any sense. Okay, so I would not recommend this for contouring. Oh my gosh. This is not even doing anything. I mean, it's doing something, but it's not doing enough. Like, are you serious right now? Like, and wouldn't this sound annoy you guys? I'm starting to do it myself. Okay. So I feel like, no. I feel like for contour, no. No, ma'am. This is, no. No, but I did the concealer good. Like, my concealer looks good. It looks glowy. Concealer looks good. Contour, I kind of figured with contour it's gonna be kind of hard for it because it is a cream based contour. So no, that's not it. Now I have a harsh line and it looks like somebody pooped on my forehead. So yeah. Okay, I want to try one more thing. I don't think it's gonna work, but I just for trying sake, I want to try putting powder. Oh my gosh, like, you know how you bake? I want to try putting powder on it and just see what happens with that. So let's do that. I'm gonna use this part. It's kind of like curved everywhere, and let's see how it works. Also, this is already getting dirty, so I probably should have made it in pink or bling. Will I use this again? I don't know. Let's put the powder on. Let's see. Definitely not for contour. That's a no. Okay, how would I even do this? Like, I didn't even think this through. How would I even put powder? Like, how would I do this, you guys? Help me. Okay, I'm just gonna dip it in here. This is so dumb. I feel so dumb. I feel so dumb. Okay, I think now I'm gonna use setting 1. Oh my gosh, imagine the splash off of my face. Okay, setting 1. Okay. I'm saying okay like this is so great. Like, it puts the powder on, it's gentle as I'm putting. I'm scared, y'all. Let's get, no. Okay, let's just keep going. Get in there. It kind of feels like you're massaging your face. Get in there, yeah. Okay. Okay, let's try to like do a little nose thing that I always do. Oh. I feel like it's taking longer and it shouldn't. Like, it's taking longer to do this than it does just doing it like manually. But it puts it on pretty smoothly. What do y'all think? Let's keep, I just want to put some more right here. Let me just put a little bit more right here. Okay. Turn off. I'm already annoyed with this thing. Okay, so it puts it on pretty smoothly. You know, we got really into the nose and stuff. Let's blend it out and let's just see. Oh my gosh. This is one of those things where it's like, Chinwe, you really just be buying things. Like, you really just be buying things. Like, I really just wanted to experience this, so you guys don't have to. If you still want to try this out, it's not bad, but I just feel like it's time consuming. I feel like for the conceal, maybe if you just put on your concealer and your foundation with it, yeah, but then like, what would be the point? You know, if you don't contour, cool. Maybe if you have like arthritis, it'd be really helpful. You know, if you have like arthritis or you're just really that lazy, it'll be helpful. But I just, it looks good. It's not that it doesn't look good. It looks good. My makeup looks seamless. It looks smooth. Like, it looks good. But I just feel like I purchased it thinking like it would make my life easier, and I wouldn't say that it's making my life easier. maybe with the concealer part, but it's I feel like it's taking a long time. It's taking longer than I would. Actually, no. For the concealer part, it's faster blending it with this tool, but for the other parts, as far as putting on the powder and baking, and obviously the contour didn't work, no. Like, no. I'll give you guys my final review. I want to put some lip gloss on, so be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I would rate this from a scale from 1 to 10. I would rate this like a 4.5, just because I don't feel like it's making my life easier. I feel like you might as well just do it manually and stop being lazy, unless you, I think this would be good if you have arthritis or if you're lazy. I will try it again. I'm going to church in the morning, so I will try it again in the morning and see if it makes my life easier. And then it's like, you have to charge it, and what if I don't feel like charging it? What if it's dead that day? Like, I just feel like it's a lot to think about when it comes with this. I understood the idea, but like, I don't know if they really thought things through. I don't know if I thought things through buying. I just like to try new things, and I saw it and I was like, I have to trust nobody. I've never seen this before, but it's a good idea, but it was just maybe built a little bit better. I don't know. I don't know what they could really change about it, but like, I would give this a 4.5 out of 10. If you would like to try it out, or you know someone that would like this, I will still link it down below and you can try it out and see if you like it. And if you do purchase it, comment it down below and let me know how you like it, how it works for you, or if you purchased it for somebody, let me know. I'll leave it linked. But yes, babes, that's all for today's video. Thank you babes for watching, and I'll see you babes in my next video. Bye.